Okay, this is the quick fire Q&A round, and there's further detail in the post that is attached to this video. So this is a Q&A about the 26 lifetime licenses for my online on-demand photo reading 26-year anniversary offer. Question number 1, what does lifetime mean? It means you have access to the 3-day online video webinar course, which you can access from anywhere in the world at a time and place that suits you forever. Number 2, what's the usual price if you don't get the anniversary offer deal? Usual price is £850 or $1,100, so $1,100. The anniversary price is £260, which is just over $300. What is the format? So question 3, what is the format? It's an online video webinar class split into 5 main segments. Each segment is half a day because it was recorded live over 2.5 days. So typically we do Friday afternoon stroke early evening, then all day Saturday, all day Sunday. So running time 21 hours. Number 4, do I need to do the whole thing at once? No, you can choose how you listen to it. Number 5, what's the best way to get the most out of it? So on the post that is attached to this video or in the description, I've given you my 3 options for the way that I would recommend approaching it. And I definitely like option 1, osmosis, the best, but have a read below and you can choose the one that suits you and suits your schedule. Where are we now? So we are at question number 6. How long is the offer available? There's a countdown timer on the page. So when it hits 0, the price goes back to $1,100, which is what it's been for the last 10 or so years. And gosh, I think we've got a couple of 2-3 days, something like that, a few days left. But anyway, click the link that you'll see the countdown timer. And if you don't see the countdown timer in it, you get a message or it just goes to the regular price. That means you've missed the anniversary deal. Number 7. Why are you, sorry, that's a nod to the Strictly fans. Why are you doing this offer? This year marks my 26th anniversary as a coach and therapist, and photo reading is something I absolutely wish I had at the start of my journey, given all the stuff that was going on with me with the early onset Alzheimer's diagnosis. Photo reading was an absolute godsend and just changed things within days. And number 8, what is the HUNA and Access Consciousness Belief Change session? It's a bonus add-on session, so it's not officially part of photo reading. However, I found that when I incorporated the HUNA, people just changed and transformed so much more quickly. They would come in on the Friday all in their head and all the stuff going on, baggage from the past, etc. They would return on the Saturday morning because we do the HUNA on the Friday evening, or in this case the first day of the workshop, first chunk, and people would turn up on the Saturday just completely different. Their mind, their brain was clear. They had different strategies, a different outlook on life. They were absorbing things more easily. And then I found when I combined the HUNA, H-U-N-A, with the Access Consciousness Belief Change work, which is about letting go of old beliefs, judgments, limitations, etc., it was a powerhouse combination. So those are the key questions. If you have any further questions or queries, ping me a DM, or you can add them into the comments and I will answer those. And the link where you can get this offer is also going to be somewhere around this page. Actually, let me just find that and I will tell you what the link is. The link for the offer, and there'll be offers coming throughout the year. So once one link goes down, the page will go down temporarily. So you'll just see a holding message, but bookmark this link. And it's the same link I've been using for, about 6 or 7 years now. So bookmark the link, and when I put the new offer up, then use the same link. So it's marilyn-devonish.thriveCart.com/special-offer-ENL. E for Echo, N for November, L for Lima, and Marilyn, Marilyn, Devonish, DEVONISH.thriveCart.com/special-offer-ENL. So that's the link you can go to. You will see the, if it's still live, you'll see the ticker tape at the top and the countdown is on. So when it hits 0, that will be the end of that. Alrighty, all right. So if you know someone also who would be a good fit for photo reading, someone who would like to accelerate their mind, their brain, their learning, enhance your creativity, your critical thinking skills, your decision-making skills, get into the flow state, activate left and right brain, photo read at 25,000 words per minute, blast through whole books in 5 minutes, whilst learning strategies to remember and recall what you've read, please feel free to pass this information to them. That will be very, very much appreciated. Outside of that, you can check my main website, transformationstm.com. /PhotoReading, and trance, TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM as in trademark, and then /PhotoReading. And it's trance as in hypnotic trance, because I'm also a hypnotherapist. And I have been a certified photo reading instructor since March 2002. It's been quite a ride and quite a journey. OMG, just amazing. So yeah, if you'd like to grab this incredible offer, I don't think I've done one like this before, but I was playing with the number 26. And of course, I can't offer this for £26. Some of the offers that are coming, if I can, I'll put them into the £26 bracket to celebrate the 26 years, but I just wouldn't be able to do this one at 26, so I thought 260 was a good compromise. Anyway, I shall leave it there. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, thank you for sharing as well, and also thank you to everyone who has come through those photo reading doors over the past 24 years. It has been an absolute pleasure to work with you all and to see those incredible transformations, oftentimes within the first few hours, and most definitely within those 2.5 days. It is a game changer. It's a brain changer. And yes, and one question I haven't included actually about, who is this suitable for? And people often say, well, I've got dyslexia or ADHD or whatever it is. I've had people with dyslexia, dyspraxia, autism, slow readers, and everything from senior executives, doctors, surgeons, accountants, lawyers, crystal healers, consultants, trainers, coaches, accountants, students. The youngest person ever to attend was 7 years old, wonderful Eve. And the oldest was an ex-wing commander who we thought was in his 80s/90s, and everything in between. And so I'd say realistically, really come with an open mind, a willingness to learn and play and have fun with enhancing your brain. So yeah, that's it. That is it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Marilyn Devnish, the Neuro Success Coach, Rapid Transformation Specialist and Futurist, and of course certified photo reading instructor since March 2002 from transformationstm.com/photo reading. Over and out.